Hey, my name is Ken. You're rolling with Ken. I'm here with the Baggy Bike and just wanted to, give a little shout out to everyone who's like saying, hey, should I get an e-bike? Should I not get an e-bike? Well, for one, it's really cold out, as you can see, and I'm out here on my e-bike, so it is that much fun. Okay, I got 3,000 miles, a little over that, on the Baggy Bike. And when you think about it, some of the important features that you really are going to need, you scour the pages and you think about what's this, what's that. Let me tell you what works, okay? What works is front suspension, right? You need to have front suspension. What works are disc brakes. You need to be able to stop. I like the fat tires. You can get tires of any diameter or whatever. These tires, 3,000 miles, no pop. They glow in the dark. They're really cool. On the magnesium rims, I don't have any spokes to tighten up. Like I said, 3,000 miles, they're still true on. Doesn't matter the frame type that you get. You can get any frame. Personally, I like the folding bike. I like going like this, and I like riding high. It's my configuration. That's the way I like it, right? I like an adjustable seat. I see a lot of bikes out there, they don't have an adjustable seat. It's really important. It took me like almost a week and a half to get my seat right. Now, once I got my seat right, the cool thing about the Baggy Bike, actually, the seat has the springs, it's nice leather, but it has easy access to the battery. And there's all sorts of different types of settings that I could have with the wrenches, to adjust that. And that was really important the first few days. I haven't touched it after like that first week. 48 volts. Only way to go, or more. 48 or higher. Minimum spec. 500 watts or higher. Not lower. 500 or higher. 500 will do the job. I don't know. I mean, I'm not a huge guy. The bike weighs about 95 pounds with everything I have on it. Plus me. I get into the 30s with the bike. Solid 20s. I can do 26 all day long, right? To get to 30, it's a little bit tougher. But a solid 20 on the throttle. I really only use the throttle to get me going. I'm pretty much keeping in power 1. So if you're thinking about an e-bike, where I'm at, it's beautiful today. On a fall, cold day, here with the Baggy Bike, telling you all, saying, hey, whatever minimum you need, suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, tires that are going to take any terrain, street or whatever, make sure they're puncture proof. The rims I like 48 volt, 500 watt, minimum spec. So, hey, why don't we go out for a ride? And I'll show you some of the capabilities. We'll do some 0 to 20 runs. We'll check out a little this and that. Put it on. You see I have 3,012 miles. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can see it now. I'm gonna shoot up. Go on the trail over here. So, you can do stuff like this. You can't do this on a motorcycle. You can't do it in a moped. You can do it on a bike. And the e-bike only makes it that much more fun. Really. I mean, I am 6.4 miles. I haven't even touched the battery. I've gone typically about 35 miles on a trip. You get to go great places like this. You got a little beer garden going on. I don't know what little gems you might have in your neighborhood, but we have a beer garden and some waterfalls. And you can see the Baggy Bike, waterfall, deer. So let's go for a little ride. So, I give it a little punch here and there to get going, but for the most part, I'm on level 1, doing like 12 to 13 miles an hour with the wind against me. My name's Ken, you're rolling with Ken. Hopefully you enjoy this and this means something to you if you're going out looking for an e-bike. I'd it's definitely something you should get, whether you get a frame like mine or a frame that will suit you for whatever your needs are. Going with a 500 watt 48 volt minimum is the way to go. And you see now, I can punch it up. Let's see what we got over here. So I'll go up to 9, right? And I'll use pedal. Let's see. You get me going real quick. Kind of cold, so I don't want to go much more than that. Just saying. I keep it at 1. No problem. I use some throttle if I want a little more. And you might encounter a situation like this. Road closed. Not a problem if you have a e-bike, okay? See, road's closed, and I just go, oh, not for me. Not for me in the baggy bike. So, another reason to get an e-bike. Be able to get out there and enjoy the great outdoors. I was thinking about ending it right here, but I think we might do just a little shot down that way so you can check out some more of the capabilities of the ride of this bike. Really, really smooth on the terrain that I'm on right now. It's really smooth when I go down over there on the river. Off-road, I have videos. Check out my other videos. You'll see rolling with Ken from all different perspectives. But right now, if you don't have an e-bike, really kind of got to get into it. It is definitely the most exciting thing you'll probably ever get going. And I'll say, not only do it for yourself, do it for your spouse, do it for your kids. Get a whole set. They are so much fun. Let's go for a little ride, a little bit more. Road closed, no problem. I get a little shug on the thing. I'll show you how fast I can go just with the throttle. See? 21, 22. I like to do pedal assist. I like pedal assist 1 plus throttle. What's going on, guy? My name's Ken. You're rolling with Ken. This is fall 2020. Got to get myself an e-bike edition. So if you enjoy situations quite like this, and then you're like, oh, I need to go some faster. Okay, go. You can even notch it up this way. Just do it with pedal assist. Little squirrel. Okay. Well, hopefully I showed you a little bit of something that the bike can do. Here, an off-road situation. I was up to power level 9, scooted up to about 23, 24 real quick. My name's Ken. You're rolling with Ken. This is the edition of should I get an e-bike or shouldn't I? Please, treat yourself. Go for it. Get an e-bike. And hopefully some of my comments have helped you in the journey. Like I said, suspension, disc brakes, 48 volt minimum, 500 watt minimum. Fat tires, I like them. And the various accessories that you want to get. Whatever frame it is that you'd like. My name's Ken. You've been rolling with Ken. This is fall 2020. It's cold outside, but we got some color. I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Rolling with Ken. My name's Ken. Check out my other episodes. Go out into the trails. We go up on the roads. We go all over the place with the baggy bike. Enjoy.